So guys, nung 90s, nakikinig ba kayo ng radyo, no, lalo na yung 99.5 RT? Grabe, parang foreign sounding lagi ang mga DJ nila, straight English. Tapos yung mga songs nila laging one step ahead of the other radio stations. Parang yung hindi mo pa naririnig sa iba. Tapos grabe, social talaga yung 99.5 RT dati nung 90s eh. At station ID nila, sabi parang American sounding pa yung voiceover. Yung parang, ano ba yun? The power, 25,000 watts. The frequency, digital 99.5. The call letters, DWRT-FM. So grabe.